Good evening, friends. So today I brought a new story that is based on genius become after hard work. Genius never become from birth. I am going to prove this sentence to this phrase through this video, through this story which is based on Mahakavi Kalidas. I think everyone know this story. Everyone know this personality who is literature of Sanskrit language, who have written lot of words in Sanskrit language, but in initial time, at the time of childhood, he was cutting to that branch of tree where he was sitting. So this reason you can think the intellectual power of Mahakavi Kali Das, how he was grossly dull at the time of childhood, how he became Mahakavi Kalidas, and how he written such kind of granth like as अभिज्ञान शाकुंतल, विक्रमोर्वशीय, मालविकाग्नि मित्र. Such kind of verse, such kind of granth are written by Kalidas. So once upon a time, a scriptural debate was ongoing at a king palace because occasion was Princess Bidotma marriage. Condition was given by king that who will defeat my princess, I will get marriage with that. There was lot of scholar king was present to defeat Princess Bidotma, but everyone were defeated by Princess Bidotma. She was so scholarly lady, so this reason they were defeated by Princess Bidotma. It was the embarrassed, it was the shyness thing for the every king who was taking participate in that scriptural debate. They were thinking to take revenge of this this embarrassed. So this reason they were searching such kind of dull person, such kind of foolish person who was totally dull, who was totally foolish. Even he don't know anything. He got Mahakavi Kalidas in that type because he was cutting to that branch where he was sitting. So this reason they called to Mahakavi Kalidas and said that I will get your marriage be the princess, but condition will be you will have to keep bow of silence. You will not give a single answer. You will give every answer in indication, in action. You will not speak there. They said I will not speak any answer. I will give every things in action. It was the condition which was given by all scholars to Kalidas. They agreed there, and scholar took to Kalidas in that scriptural debate and said this is most scholar in comparison to all of us. So this reason I took him here, and you should take conversation with this Kalidas. They said they all the scholars said to Bidotma and king. Scriptural debate started with Kalidas. Bidotma lifted her one finger. Kalidas thought that she is saying, I will break your one eyes. Then Kalidas lifted his two finger. Again, Bidotma lifted her hand. Then Kalidas thought that she is saying, I will slap you. Then Kalidas lifted his fist and said, I will box you in that indication. Then Bidotma thought that this is the perfect candidate, this is a scholarly person, reality, knowledgeable person. I should get married with this person. In reality, it is a literate person. Get married with Kalidas, and one day they were standing at on top of king palace, and one camel was going near the palace. Then after seeing to this, Kalidas said Uttara Uttara Uttara. After seeing to this, after listening to this word, Bidotma said, it is reality illiterate person. He cannot speak even proper word of camel. This is a very illiterate person, foolish person. How I got married with this Kalidas? How it is a very embarrassed thing for me. Then she pushed to Kalidas and he fallen down in deep ditch. It is a very sad thing, very insulting thing, very embarrassed thing for Kalidas. Then he never returned in that palace. He went to Varanasi where he taken Sanskrit knowledge there and stay there lot of time and written there Abhigyan Sakuntal, Malbikagnimit, Vikramavarshi, such kind of Granth verses he written there. And after completing his all the uh, scholarly things written to home. So this reason I said to this story that genius never become from the birth, genius become after hard work. If you are also thinking to become genius, then it is never depend that you are foolish or you are literate from childhood. If you are foolish, if you are literate, doesn't matter. If you want to become something, then depend on your perspiration, depend on your inspiration, depend on your hard work. So hope that you will try to understand the ethic of this story, the morality of this story. So become genius, try to become genius of with hard work in your direction, in your way, in your goal. Hope that you will try to understand. Tomorrow again I will meet you. Till then, bye bye.